Hey YouTube, coming back on for my 4-month lock update. First off, I would like to say happy 4th of July. I am late on this on my 4-month lock update. My 4-month was on June the 28th, but I was traveling back from California back to Virginia where I live, and then I came down here to North Carolina to visit my family. So I really didn't have time to record anything, but I just wanted to come on and show you guys how my hair is looking. There has been a lot of changes that has occurred. I have found some more budding in certain places. My ends are still not really wanting to lock or anything like that. Well, some of them are starting to round off as if like I had comb coiled my hair. So that's good. And then others of them are still loose, like these in the front, but I'm not even gonna worry about them. In my previous video, I had stated that I was thinking about doing a semi-freeform, which I was going to do, but my boyfriend, he wanted to retwist my hair because he said he felt like I was ugly because I hadn't done my hair. So he retwisted my hair for me, and that retwist has lasted a long time. It probably still will be in there. I mean, my roots still feel pretty much like they're twisted, but I just washed my hair after I got out the shower because it was itching. So I have been 4 weeks without washing my hair. When normally I would try to wash maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, because that's what I did when I had my natural hair. But I've been pushing it off. So I hadn't washed my hair, whatever. But yeah, I think they still look pretty good. So I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks not dry, wet before I wash it. How it looks wet before I dry it. Lord Jesus. So anyway, so this is just the 4-month lock update. I can tell that it is starting to grow. It's longer than what it was before, so that's a plus. I'm just ready to get to the length where I feel comfortable enough to put all of it up into a ponytail without having to use bobby pins and things like that. But anyway, so side, the back. And the side. Yeah. So all my parts still stayed and everything like that. Everything is looking good. I'm thinking, because I'm looking right here at this one, and I'm feeling like I'm gonna have to do like a ACV rinse pretty soon because that looks like buildup, but I'm not entirely sure if that's just what my hair grew out at. But we'll see. But yeah, like all my parts stay. The ones along the edges are starting to stay in even when I wash them now. Because before they were like sort of kind of coming undone. This one is still doing it a little bit, but not as bad. Yeah. Oh, and this side is finally starting to catch up with this side a little bit. This side is still longer, but it's catching up, so that's a plus. As you can see, I did put some shells in some of my hair. I think I have one right here, and then I have another one. Oh, right there. Now these ones where you see this, what I did was I combined like 2 smalls that was right there, and I just used like hair glue to bind it together so it won't come loose. Over time, that hair glue will wash out, so I'm not really concerned about it. If I really wanted it out, I could, and this one as well, I combined those because they were too small. Over time, it will wash out, but if I really wanted it out, all I would literally have to do is use conditioner. I was contemplating doing a sew-in, but I think I'm going to pass on the sew-in, just seeing how good my hair has been doing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the my 4 months. I've still been doing the same thing, oiling my scalp or greasing my scalp, and then I have started back doing in the mornings or throughout the day when it feels like my hair is too dry. Since I've gotten back on the East Coast, it's more hot here. I have been spraying my hair with water and an oil mixture that I have in a bottle for whenever my hair feels dry. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on and show you guys how they look. I may come back and show you guys how it looks dry. But yeah, I'm pretty much pleased with my hair and how it is doing right now. Yeah, stay tuned for next month for my 5-month lock update. Bye.